A product I want to show you today is this ratcheting wrench set. Now this wrench set comes in a variety of sizes, starting at 10 and moving up to 11, 13, 14, and 15 millimeters, allowing it to cover a variety of sizes in a lot of situations. This is easy to carry in this plastic storage container, and you can open it up to access each of the wrenches very easily. Now the wrenches are color-coded, making it easy to sort them from among your other tools. When you're using the wrench set, know that it comes with 72 teeth ratchets, which is very awesome and saves a lot of time and labor when you're working with these wrenches in a variety of mechanical situations. The last thing I want to point out is that these wrenches are chrome vanadium steel, which is an industrial grade steel that is wear resistant, corrosion resistant, gives extra strength and durability to the tool that you're using, making them a really good addition to your tool collection. The manufacturer is so proud of the material that they offer that 24-month return guarantee on your product should you have any issues with it. Now that we're done talking about it, let's go use this on my snowblower and just take off some of the nuts and bolts and show you how it works.